Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, Asian markets are trading completely flat. Singapore Nifty is also following to the same, and it is up by 20-25 points as compared to its previous close. But US stock futures are trading 100 points higher, which is positive. And dollar index, it's still at 91.8085. Bond yield was around 1.48, and crude prices are quoting at 75 plus. We saw some activity in metals. Most of the commodities have closed on the higher side yesterday, and while looking at the overall trend of the market, it is like in the range, and it's trying to decide which side to go. It is happening across the world. Even for Indian markets also, we are seeing a lot of range bound activity sort of sessions. Yesterday when the market was like on the higher side, we saw again huge profit taking, and from there the market closed on the lower side at the lowest point of the day. But if we go through with the FIS figure and domestic figures, then they were on the positive side. So it's a completely mixed market, and it is in the range. Till the market is not crossing 15,800, we are not going to see any major activity. On the downside, 15,670 was the yesterday's lowest level that is going to act as major support. If we see the market is sustaining below 15,670 on the day of monthly quarterly expiration of the month, then we can expect further more weakness up to maybe 15,550, where the market is having excellent support. So today, in case if we see the market is dropping to those levels in the first half, then there certainly we should look for adding some long positions, because the market is in the range and it is going to rebound on the day of major expiry. On the higher side, 15,800 is the level to watch out for, and today if we see the market is hitting to the levels of 15,800 in the first half, then there we should look for taking some profit. And on the dismissal of 15,800, we can expect further more activity. But for the day, 15,800 should be the level where we need to be very, very careful. For Bank Nifty, again 34,500, 34,300 on the downside. On the higher side, 34,850. These are the level to watch out for. And there also we can expect activity if we see the Bank Nifty is crossing 34,850. Finally, if we see the trend of stocks, then Reliance is consolidating, but it is failing to sustain at higher levels. It was around 22.50 yesterday. Again, it closed at the lowest point of the day. So the next level to watch out for would be 2170-75. Today, Reliance AGM is also going to affect the market. So that will start maybe after 1:30, 2 o'clock, and then the market will start moving as per the announcement from the AGM. That's the view, and that's the trend that we saw in the past. Sector specific, we need to focus on metals because they have fallen to their extreme levels, and the broader sector is into that corrective pattern. So if there is any activity or bullishness in the market, then I feel it should get supported by metal stocks. That's all from my side, and with this I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.